guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got an unboxing for you and it is, get the box over, it's March's Degustabox. I'm going to crack on and show you exactly what's in March's Degustabox. So if you don't know anything about Degustabox, it's a monthly subscription box. It's £12.99 a month. You can opt in and opt out of the subscription. You don't have to do it every month at all. The £12.99 does include your P&P. You will get notification as to exactly what day, even down to the time it's going to be delivered, and I've also been told of the name of the driver that's delivering it, so I just think that's great for security. So I'm going to open it and show you exactly what's inside the box. So it comes packaged, got brown paper all wrapped up, and then you've got your little D for Degusto sticker. Every month it's a bit of a surprise. You might get a little hint of what's going to be, or some of the items that might be in the next one, but generally it's a surprise. I find that it tends to be full of things that I may walk past in the supermarket, but once I've tried them from the Degustabox, then I sometimes go and repurchase if I think, you know, if we've enjoyed them as a family, or if I'm looking for something specifically that's gluten-free. My daughter has to have a gluten-free diet, and I have to say, so far in the boxes that I've received, there have been quite a few gluten-free products, so I just think that's really great, so that when she comes here for a meal, I don't necessarily have to go out and buy certain things for her, because I tend to have like a little bit of a store cupboard of things for her now. So anyway, so this is the card. This is a spring and Easter one. This is the card that shows everything that's in this box. So for safety and freshness, it has this great big long bubble wrap in there to keep everything nice and safe. It's quite well packed out as well. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to put my glasses on for this. The first thing I'm pulling out is Red and Red Super Stews. It says spicy red beans and sweet potato. There we go. It says it's inspired by Africa. It's remixed by London. It's vegan and it's gluten-free. 182 calories in this pot. You add boiling water to the line inside for just 240 ml. Stir well. Let stand for 6 minutes with the lid on. Stir the stew to blend and then enjoy. So this I will probably save for my daughter Holly, purely and simply because it's gluten-free. The recommended retail price on this is £2.99. Okay, so let's pick out the next one. Okay, Moose Juice Extreme Energy Passion Fruit flavour, 0 sugar, aspartame free, 250 ml. So this is obviously an energy drink, I would say. Yeah, Moose Juice Extreme Energy is a carbonated passion fruit flavour caffeine drink, and this retails in the shops for £1.59, available at Holland and Barrett and selected Sainsbury's stores. So good old Sainsbury's. I'll pull out this one. We've probably all seen these in supermarkets. I certainly have. It's the Weetabix on the go, the breakfast drink, energy, fibre, protein, and it's in the strawberry flavour. It's got the same sugar as a glass of milk. I think Chris would probably fancy trying this. And the recommended retail price for that is £1.49, and it says available in all major supermarket chains, which it is. I mean, I've seen these dotted around all over the place. Oh, this looks nice. So this is Willie's Cacao, is that how you say it? I'm not 100% sure, but it's 100% pure gold chocolate, I would say. Long forgotten flavours, it says. The chocolate melts, your senses journey of pure cacao begins. Deep, nutty, unfolding the wonders of this ancient and revered food of the gods. 40 grams in that bar. And let's see what this recommends, what the retail price of this is. So £1.99 for a 40-gram bar. Available at Sainsbury's, Waitrose, Ocado, Cafe Nero and WH Smith's, and they do it in different flavours, but my eyesight won't let me see, but I'll show you. There are some different flavours here, look. Right, pick this one up next. So this is by Kind, and it's dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt, 60% nuts, gluten-free, dairy-free, high fibre, no artificial colours or preservatives. Ingredients you can see and pronounce, which I think is amazing that you can actually, because half the ingredients you can't always pronounce. I know I can't. Okay, so this is what the bar looks like. That looks absolutely lovely. Holly, I might give this to you, I may not. Okay, this retails at £1.35, and it's available in all major supermarket chains. And then there are 2 bars of chocolate here by Green and Black. So you've got the Truffle Dark Centre and the Praline Milk Hazelnut Centre. There we go, so that's what these look like. And they retail for 89p each. So discover a moment of indulgence with Green and Black's truffle and praline bars. Break through the smooth dark chocolate shell to reveal the delicious truffle and praline centres. The perfect way to treat yourself, made with ethically sourced chocolate, no artificial flavourings, colourings or preservatives. You should receive both flavours in your box, which I did, and they're available at Tesco, Sainsbury's, Waitrose, Morrison's, Co-op, Superdrug and WH Smith's. So they're 89p each. Now here we've got Costa Coffee, Mocha Italia Signature Blend, ground for cafetiere and filters, smooth and nutty with notes of caramel. Oh, I wish I had a cafetiere. I don't have one anymore. I might have to invest. Just try this. It absolutely sounds lovely. The strength is medium. It's a strength 3. Okay, and it's made with Arabica beans. So let's see how much this retails for. This retails for £3.70. At Costa Coffee, we know great coffee. The proof, we've been serving our legendary signature blend since 1971. Now you can enjoy the home of great coffee in your home. Try Costa's medium strength signature blend roasted and ground coffee for cafetières and filter, available at most major supermarkets and of course at Costa's. What else have we got? Still going, guys, still going. Okay, these now, Forest Feast Preda Fair Trade dried mango. Here we go. 30 grams in here. They look nice, don't they? Especially if you've got kids in the family, you can give them all these sort of natural sweets and natural sort of, the more natural sugars is what I'm trying to say. Okay, these retail at £1.29 for 30 grams. It says our award-winning Forest Feast exotic Preda dried mango, sourced solely from the Preda Fair Trade Organisation in the Philippines, and enjoy our soft bite-sized balls of exotic dried mango blended with tropical coconut, covered in creamy Belgian milk chocolate. A little bit of indulgence with less of the guilt. You should receive both products in your box. Did I? I did. Right. You should receive both products in your box. Forest Feast also retail 100 gram packs at £3. The Preda mango is retailed at Waitrose, Tesco's, Ocado. Milk chocolate fruit balls is retailed at Waitrose and Ocado. So £1.29 each, guys. And these ones are the little fruit balls. Milk chocolate, mango and coconut. Whoops. Milk chocolate, mango and coconut. And these are the mango, the dried mango bites here. Okay, now I've got to be onto these two. These are chum bites, so you've got fruit bites in apple, fruit bites in strawberry, and these, again, no added sugar, 1 of your 5 a day, no gluten, nothing artificial, and 15% of the profits donated to the Wild Aid organisation to help save our chums. So that's great. That makes you feel really good about purchasing these anyway, doesn't it? So these retail, guys, at 79p each, and it's 100% wild, no fake stuff, 100% fruit, vegan, high in fibre, kosher and gluten-free, nothing artificial, no preservatives, no concentrates, all the goodness of real fruit, slowly baked into our magical fruit bites. And we give back, oh, it says here, we give back 15% of our profits to help save the endangered chums with wildaid.org, available at www.chumbites.com. So yeah, that's brilliant. Yeah, that makes my heart feel good, that one. This is in as a little gift, so it wasn't part of the actual subscription box. It's just a gift, and it says it in here, and that's the Ballymaloe Original Relish, and that is what the little jar looks like. It's only a little sample size. Okay, and it says Ballymaloe Original Relish is rich in tomatoes, delicious and incredibly versatile. It is excellent with beef burgers, french fries, cold meats, cheese, sausage rolls and salads. It's also wonderful in sandwiches or served with light meals, picnics or barbecues. Ballymaloe Original Relish is made using all natural ingredients, gluten-free, and is also suitable for vegans. That's what it looks like on the list, my lovelies. And then again you can see it here with the little recipe they've given to make a little sandwich. And then last but not least is a drink. So let's open this, because we haven't actually opened the wrapping on this. So this is a beer, and it's called Jubal Beer Cut with Peach, 4%. So to me that bottle looks, just kind of looks, gives me that like organic-y feel to it. Oscar, no, it's not for you, babes. Okay, Alpine is our original brew. It's beer done differently. Then it says, the earth is vital, it's the only planet that has beer. That's why this label is plastic free, and we're committed to offsetting the carbon emissions from this and every Jubal. Well, that's good, that makes me feel brilliant as well. And it says also on the back here, no one has to miss out. This beer is gluten free and vegan friendly. This makes me feel good as well. So that's what the front of the bottle looks like. Okay, and I'll slowly take it round to the back.
Oh.
Excuse Oscar, he thinks because I'm at the table there's something for him to eat, and there isn't. That, my lovelies, is everything. So as I say, that's everything that's in the box is on this leaflet. I did a very quick recce up the other day. I paid $12.99 for this box, and it, adding everything up, I think it came to between £21 and £22. I love receiving this box. As I say, it's that little bit of, it's almost like receiving an advent calendar every month, because you're just diving in and you don't really know what you're going to get. So if you're interested in subscribing to Degustabox, I will leave a link down below. If you click on my link, if you feel like doing it, if you fancy just having a one-off box, which you can do, no problem at all. If you go onto my link or use my discount code at the checkout, you will actually get your first box for $7.99. So do you know what I mean? It's a little bit of a no-brainer. If you fancy trying what's going to be in the next box, $7.99. And then if you want to subscribe after that, you know, you can carry on doing it or opt in or out, as I've already said. Also, you will be given your own personal code, so you'll be able to share that with your friends and family. They'll be able to get their first box for $7.99. The other thing is, if you do use my link and you benefit from your box for $7.99, I also then accrue some points onto my account, which eventually, after you get so many points, means you can actually then choose a box for free. So, you know, let's all help each other, let's share the love, that's what it's about. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope I've given you enough insight into Degustabox to just have the confidence to at least purchase one of them. Who knows, you may want it to become one of your regular subscription boxes. But I'm going to leave it there with you guys, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. If you've enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, press that notification bell for more of my uploads. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you all in the next one. So until then, my lovelies, stay safe and stay fabulous. Bye.